Hello and welcome to 17 times exposure vocabulary training. And this week's expressions are 1. Salad days, 2. Dead as a doornail, 3. To send somebody packing, 4. Foregone conclusion, and 5. Hoodwinked. And today's expressions are 1. Salad days, 2. Dead as a doornail, and 3. To send somebody packing. 1. Salad days. Meaning 1. The period of time when you were a young person and had little experience. 2. A state or time of great activity, thriving, or achievement.
I'll take it from here.
Yeah, you're supposed to be here by 8 o'clock.
Isn't that sweet? Little girls never stop missing the first day of school. Oh, the salad days. Yes, I remember them well.
You can spare me the Shakespeare wrong. Listen, my last class ends at 2:30, so I should be back here by 3.
Don't be late.
He calls the time she went to school for the first time her salad days. 2. Dead as a doornail. It means completely dead.
Traffic accident near a ranch, right? Several cars and a horse are involved. The horse is severely injured, and the officer at the scene wants to put him out of his misery with his .357. Unfortunately, the bullet ricochets off the horse's skull and hits an officer standing nearby, kills him dead as a doornail. And when this is all reported to the chief, the only question he asks, what color is the horse?
The officer was as dead as a doornail, meaning completely dead. 3. To send somebody packing. It means to tell someone to go away because you are angry with them.
You're up late.
I'm up late because you said this thing would be done by now, and I haven't heard from you, which makes me wonder. How's it going?
I'll tell you how it's going. Instead of getting close with Alex, I had to send him packing.
What? How did that happen?
It happened because I'm his client and he wouldn't listen to a word I said.
Look,
Instead of getting closer with Alex, his lawyer, Robert Zane sent him packing, told him to go away.